Installation of ESIMPLE thermostat. ESIMPLE series thermostat is available in two color versions, black and white. The set includes thermostat, quick guide and mounting screws. The thermostat looks good on the wall with a dedicated frame, sold separately. ESIMPLE thermostat is characterized by operation with a traditional knob. Operates in daytime mode, created for those seeking simplicity in controlling heating and cooling. Despite its minimalist design, it provides accurate temperature control. Turn off power before installation. Remove the knob of the thermostat. Remove the screw and remove the thermostat cover. Optionally, you can use a dedicated frame, which is sold separately. Place the thermostat in the frame. Pull the cables through the hole in the thermostat. Tighten the mounting screws. Connect the wires to the thermostat according to the diagram. Put the thermostat cover on. Tighten the cover mounting screw. Install the knob. Turn on the power supply. Check the operation of the thermostat by changing the set temperature. If the device sends a signal for heating, the LED lights red. The device is ready for operation. Engo, control and save simply.